Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss our latest videos. Are you someone who's looking to start an online business, but have no idea where to start? Well, you're in the right place, because in this video, we'll be discussing the best online business to start as a beginner in 2023. Affiliate marketing. The first online business that you can start as a beginner is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This business requires no inventory, no shipping, and no customer support. You just need to promote products and services that you believe in. Drop shipping. The second online business that you can start as a beginner is drop shipping. In this business, you create an online store and sell products without actually stocking any inventory. You just need to find a supplier who can ship the products directly to your customers. Drop shipping requires some initial investment to set up the online store and marketing, but it can be very profitable once it's up and running. Online course creation. The third online business that you can start as a beginner is creating online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create a course that teaches people about it. You can sell these courses on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Online course. Social media management. The fourth online business that you can start as a beginner is social media management. Many businesses struggle with managing their social media accounts and are willing to pay someone to do it for them. If you have a knack for social media, you can start offering your services as a social media manager. This business requires no initial investment, but you need to have some knowledge of social media platforms. Virtual assistants. The fifth online business that you can start as a beginner is virtual assistants. Virtual assistants are hired by businesses to perform administrative tasks like email management, data entry, scheduling appointments, etc. This business requires no initial investment, but you need to have some administrative skills. So there you have it, the best online businesses to start as a beginner in 2023. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, dropshipping, online course creation, social media management, or virtual assistants, it's important to remember that starting an online business takes time and effort. With dedication and hard work, you can build a successful online business that provides you with the freedom and flexibility that you desire. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.